We all want that perfect neighborhood, the mowed lawns, the quiet streets, and the sense of security. But for many homeowners in condos and townhomes, that dream is being crushed by the very board meant to protect it. Hey everyone, I'm your neighbor from Fair Deal Home Buyers. Today we're talking about HOA nightmares. Specifically, how to tell if it's time to fight for your home or if it's time to take your equity and run. Disclaimer, I'm your friendly real estate professional, but this isn't legal advice. Let's start with the big one, special assessments. While your monthly dues cover the pool and the trash, a special assessment is a one-time fee for major repairs. In recent years, structural mandates have caused these to skyrocket. Statistics show that the average special assessment for major roof or foundation work can land anywhere between $10,000 and $100,000 per unit. If you don't have that cash sitting in a bank account, the HOA can place a lien on your property. This is how homeowners get priced out of their own front doors. Then there's death by 1,000 fines. Over 60% of HOA disputes are about aesthetics. Maybe your mailbox is an inch too low, or you parked your work truck in the driveway. These fines aren't just annoying, they are cumulative. A $50 daily fine for a wrong paint color can turn into a $1,500 monthly bill. This loss of autonomy is a major reason why homeowners choose to sell. When you can't even choose your own mulch color without a board meeting, the freedom of homeownership starts to feel like a high-priced rental. If you're in the middle of this right now, don't panic. First, request a formal hearing. You have the right to face the board. Second, audit your CC&Rs. If the rule isn't written clearly, it's hard to enforce. Third, if you owe fines, propose a settlement. Many boards would rather take a partial payment than spend money on lawyers to sue you. Sometimes, the math just doesn't work. If you're facing a $40,000 assessment and you don't want to take out a high-interest loan, selling might be the smartest financial move to save your credit. A traditional sale is tough because buyers get scared of HOA debt. That's where we come in. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we buy your house exactly as it is. We take on the violations, the debt, and the headaches so you can walk away with your fair share of equity. No repairs, no commissions, no stress. You deserve to live in a home where you feel in control. If your HOA has made that impossible, let's chat. No pressure, no obligations, just some neighborly advice and a fair look at your options. PM us and get a no-obligation and fair cash offer today, or give us a call at 414-409-8251. We're here to help you move forward. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.